Even open this drawer. Yikes. No, it's my Fenty powder. I could feel it. Okay. Oh shit. That's how I decluttered all. I gotta do this over. I feel like I'm seeing somebody.
We live a lush life, champagne, gold rain. We get to be everything that we wanna be. Running that red light, slide through, fast car, Malibu. I just want you rolling with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We keep making intros. It's a stressful day. So the video you guys are about to watch is my declutter video. You guys, I already told y'all if I have to, oh, I don't like this. Yeah, I already told you guys if I have to clean, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna film it. So I filmed it. And it's kind of split up into 2 days. So the first day I'm going over my desktop. I cleaned it. I kind of switched up the little landscape I had on my desk, and then I also obviously went through all my drawers, decluttered it. I also showed more of my acrylic drawers in this video than the first one, and I kind of sped that up. It would have been like hours long. Then the next day I wanted to change out the lining, so I just wanted to preface that in the intro. It's split between 2 days, but baby girl made it work, and I hope you enjoy. And this is like the 4th intro I've made, so I really hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys in the video. Alright you guys, so I did a lot. If you're wondering what I used, I just use, makes so much noise, I just use my makeup remover wipes because I have so much makeup and then makeup gets on top of makeup, and it's just, I've realized it's the easiest thing to use besides using like a vinegar spray, like those window cleaner sprays. Those are the only 2 things that really help me get makeup off of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to show you how much stuff I got rid of. So let me just, we organized all the acrylic drawers. I have all of this crap right here. I have this stuff here that I'm getting rid of. A lot of it is packaging. Some of it are just lip products that are like empty or that are just over. And then I'm like kind of organizing as I go because I'm not used to having so much crap gone. Okay. Sorry, that's the best I can do because it keeps falling. But then I have like another empties. These are old concealers I'm gonna get rid of. Those 2 foundations from my last one that I was like, oh, I'm gonna use for Halloween. I didn't even use them for Halloween if you were curious, but we're gonna get rid of that. And then an empty setting spray. So, and then there's this palette, but I'm just gonna give this one to my sister. It's really pretty, but she keeps asking me for it, and it does kind of remind me of another one. So now I'm gonna move you guys back, and we're gonna actually worry about the top of this. So I will see you back in a second. Alright, you guys, so this is how my desktop is looking. Those are my legs. And you can kind of see I have this little bear here. I have a lot of brushes, okay? We're gonna just gloss over that. But even inside these guys, it's a lot more organized. I don't have loose powder messed up in here. I don't have unnecessary pencil stuff in there. And then this drawer is like, those are like my headbands, but besides that, it's pretty empty. So looking good there. However, okay, this is one drawer. This is another. Oh shit, it almost came out. Okay, these are the drawers. I am so tired of this stupid lining. Like, it's all messed up. So we're gonna get to that right now. This is kind of funny. I have you guys on like my little baby tripod. So I want to show you something really quick before I actually start doing it. So my sister was cleaning out her closet and she found this like super, it's really pretty actually, this wrapping paper. You can probably get it now from like Home Goods and TJ Maxx. And then this sort of contact paper thing. I'm gonna use these to line the drawers because if I have to keep that gross wood lining, messed up lining, I will lose my mind. So I'm about to take everything out of the drawers and I'm literally just gonna trace this and put it in there. So I will show you the before and after on that. Yeah. Okay, don't come for me. I ran out of paper. Yeah, don't come for me. I'm gonna start to put all this stuff back in the drawers, and I think I have a better idea on how I can like make more space in here. Also, I struggled, but whatever. This goes right there. I think this can stay here. Ah! Can this not play me, please? Okay. Shit just played me. Okay. Imagine that whole flip is crooked. That's fun and fresh. This, I wish I could just turn this around. I really do. Oh, fuck you. This is just me not knowing how to film, apparently. Alrighty. So, are we crooked? I hope not. As you guys saw, I put things in the drawers. I kind of moved everything around a little bit just so that way things that I wasn't using are in these acrylic drawers and they're not, because I mainly work out of these two big drawers, I feel like. So I moved some things around, brought some other things down, that way if I see them more, maybe I'll use them more. But I feel like my drawers look a lot more functional. I would like to say that they look a lot prettier too, but this paper sorta kinda looks like pretty aluminum foil, like holiday aluminum foil. So we will probably revisit that in another video. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any recommendations, please leave them down below because I need them, clearly. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
We live a lush life, champagne, gold rain. We get to be everything that we wanna be. Running that red light, slide through, fast car, Malibu. I just want you rolling with me.